Today, take a look at the VEVOR wrench set. So we got our instructions. That's a nice heavy case. Alright, so quite a large set right here. We can see we got our SE on this side, we got our metric on this side. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So no skips between an 8 and a 19. For our SE, we got a quarter, 9 32, 5 16, 11 32, 7 16, 15 32, half inch, 9 16, 5 8, 11 16, and a 3/4. So again, we got no skips between a quarter and a 3/4, including the 15 32. So that is a very uncommon wrench to see in a set like this. So that is a very thorough set. Let's take a look at our 3/4. So we can see that this is a flex head, and that is stiff enough that we can actually hold that thing in place, so we don't actually have to hold the end of it onto the bolt as riding it on. We can actually just drop that guy on. Very nice feeling ratcheting mechanism on it. Really like that coloring on there. You can see that it's chrome vanadium, 3/4 inch, and it is printed on both sides. So very happy to see that. Here we've got our open end. So 3/4 is 0.75. Ideally, we're going to have a little bit more than that. So we got about a 0.755. So 50 thousandths larger. That's going to give us enough room that we can get this guy up onto that bolt, but still be tight enough that it's not going to be rounding anything off. Let's take a look at our quarter. Very nice ratcheting mechanism on that. Super smooth. Good flex head on there as well. I also appreciate that this is a slightly larger depth to it, so you can grab onto even longer bolts. So if we need to grab onto that extra surface area, that's not going to be a problem with this. Again, printed on both sides, and very nice coloring on that guy. I do also appreciate that they did actually make the angle on here correct, so it should be that when it's pointing down, that is the angle that you drive it at. And that is the way this is made, so they did make this correct. In spots like this, having that flex head can really come in handy. Works great. A little messy in that particular spot, but overall, it has an excellent little ratcheting flex head wrench.